and feel free to ask me anything. Hello YouTube, what's up my friends, Moody is here. Today we are going to make a very short review for this new backpack from Lenovo. Well, actually it is not manufactured by Lenovo, it is manufactured for them by an Italian design company that is named NAVA Design. So without any further ado, let's discover it together. Wow, I never expected that they would include such an amazing mesh pocket for a bottle of water or whatever in such a neat way. Whenever you don't need it, you just put it all back inside. And voila, it's hidden. This one and only thing that was on many other Lenovo backpacks, which made me avoid them. I don't like when these mesh pockets are always outside. So this is a brilliant idea, my friends. Very small details that makes all the big differences. Well, it's one-sided though, but it's very good that it is hidden. I like it so much. Of course, this is so that you can get your hands-free or charging cable out of the bag in case you are putting a power bank inside or something. Maybe it is raining and you want to protect your power bank inside and just get the cable for charging your phone. Of course, it has a mesh handles, very comfort ones, and a mesh pack as well, which is, I think, very resistive for getting sweat. You wouldn't be so much sweating when you are wearing this. It will keep a better airflow on your back, through your back, while you're wearing it for a long period of time. And this is of course to attach it to a travel bag. I like the look of the zippers, they are very comfort to use and it has a very elegant minimal design. Of course the handle is meshed as well. I like the fact that it is not leather because the leather ones are wearing out very fast. It has such an urbane, minimalistic, good design and it is not very thick as you all can see. It would get thicker of course if you put lots of stuff inside, and I like the color so much it fits most of your clothes. So let's discover the rest of the pockets. Wow, these zippers seems to be very strong. So another smaller zipper, very good for cables or passport or whatever, extra money. More and more pockets for cards and other stuff. Very nice. Another two pockets for phones, maybe. As always, keep that out of reach of children. Alright. Now let's get into the main compartments. Wow. It is very, very roomy, my friends. Would you take a look at this? Here you can fit an iPad, maybe a 12.5 inches ultrabook or something. Very wide, my friends. You can put here some digital cameras, your charger, your laptop charger, lots and lots of stuff, maybe some books or so. And of course here you can fit your laptop. So another pocket that works perfectly fine for tablet or so. It's right here, very wide. And of course you will put your laptop in here, which is very wide and a little bit protected as well. Some paperwork from Lenovo. Well, it's a warranty for 1 year and it is worldwide. I will keep this built inside. I don't like to stick it outside and keep doing this, so it will be much easier if I keep it inside and slide my Ultrabook right in there. The material as well is very, very nice. I like the sound of the zippers. Look at this. They seem very strong. Also, some little detail here I discovered is that they are including this band around the adjustable belt of the handle to keep it firmly at your desired length. So it's a good thing. As I told you, little details makes a whole big difference. So this little band at both sides is a good thing that I like as well. It's the first time I see it on a backpack. So that was it, my friends. This is my new Lenovo on trend backpack made by NAVA Design. Thank you so much for watching. Give us thumbs up if you liked the video and the backpack, and for sure subscribe to help us create more contents like this, and feel free to ask me anything in the comments down below about the backpack. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Peace.